treats already for people, but I ran out. So y'all just excuse me. I do use parchment paper, but right now I am going to sit my treats on some aluminum foil, so they can dry, and I can design, and I can you know, write on them. So hold on. Why don't you look? Once I do my Butterfinger strawberries, I'm going to use this to drizzle on top of the Butterfinger. Where are my gloves? Where the gloves at, y'all? Remember I got